In this video, I'll show you how to learn Notion. This video is only for educational purposes only, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now open up your Notion. Notion is very super versatile and very broad. So to learn Notion, you need to start with the basics, actually. So check out Notion's official tutorials and guide here online and make more researches about it. The second way is to explore templates. So you can see a lot of templates here from this browse templates option. So there's a whole lot of them right here for you. You get? So you can also practice. You get? So create pages for notes, tasks, and projects. So I think if you look right here, you can see there are different of my pages here I just created. You get? So this is another thing you need to know. You need to create pages for notes, tasks, and projects. Then you need to join communities. Different Notion communities on Reddit, on YouTube. Like you can find a whole lot of important and useful YouTube tutorials about Notion. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. I'll see you on the very next one.